Guys, good evening and welcome back to another video episode of my coin collection. And for those who are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. And guess what, guys, this afternoon I've just reached the more than 500 subscribers, and I am very thankful for all your support. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so in this video, guys, I just want to share to you my Australian bird of paradise. So this is what we call as the Trumpet Man Code. So this bird actually, guys, is very common in Australia, most especially in the high mountains and in the high trees. You can see most of them. So there you go, guys. So it's a very nice bird. And another coin of mine is actually it's not in the capsule, so you can see that one there, guys. It's not in the capsule, so very shiny, guys, and you can compare that one that's within the encapsulated acrylic capsule. So there you go. So that's actually being made in 2019. So this coin actually, guys, it's actually out of stock in Perth Mint at the moment, because I actually wanted to get more of this bullion silver coin, but there's no more stock of this. So unfortunately, I only got 2 of them at the moment. So see the difference, guys, without the acrylic capsule. So it's very nice. So the product specification of this bullion coin, guys, so this is the precious metal content of this one is 1.00 troy ounce, and the finest percentage purity is 99.99% pure silver. There you go. And its minimum gross weight, guys, is about 31.107 in grams, and its monetary denomination is $1. So there you go. And its maximum diameter in millimeters is about 40.600, and its maximum thickness, guys, is 3.210. So there you go, guys. So it's a very nice coin, guys. So that's the Trumpet Man Code, and it's also called as the Australian bird of paradise. So there you go. So its obverse, guys, is her effigy is Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, which is still designed by Judy Clark. Okay. That's it. So there you go, guys, and thank you so much for watching. And for those who are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. And also please comment down below, guys, about what's your thought about silver coin collection. So see you guys, goodbye and good night.